All right, here we have a old Emerson quiet cool dehumidifier.
Yep, so I'm down in my grandfather's basement with Christian, and this is the dehumidifier. So you have the honors, you can start it up.
All right, let's go.
And the fan is seized again.
Fixing up the back. Is it like on?
No, it's in the front, you can see it. Sometimes after you let it run a couple minutes, it'll start up. See it on there? I know you guys can't see it on camera, but
Oh, there. Oh, yeah. There we go. We're going. We're
going.
We're going.
I almost wonder if that was like a timed thing. I don't think so. It's not like smart chip defrost.
Yeah, you bet. Oh, there it is.
Oil burner. Pretty pint. And there's a data tag on the back, but you have to remove the condensate pin, and if you remove it, it'll shut off. So here's a filter. Pan's a little broken right here. I guess maybe they did that on purpose, though. So the water drips in there. Oh yeah, it's getting cold.
Nice.
Sounds good.
Yeah. All right. Yeah, that's about it. All right, shut down. There we go.
All right.
That's about it.